Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this week's series, we are looking at different platforms that pay you to write stories. I'm talking from $50 to $500 per story. So if you're interested in getting paid to write your story, if you want someone to read your story out there, this one is for you. If you know how to write, if you know how to compose a story and put it out there and make it pleasing to someone to read, then you want to grab this opportunity. So we're going to be exploring different platforms for this week. Starting from today, I'm going to be sharing an amazing one that people have been making money from. You can receive up to $50 for every signed story once you've updated more than 30,000 words. So we're just going to explore this platform so that you can sign up today. If today is your first time coming here, this channel is all about legit ways to make money online. Do give this video a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let's go there. So this is it here. Let me go back. The name of the website is dreamy.com. Come to dreamy.com. It has an app that you can download from Google Play or App Store. You can see all the stories in different genres. So check it out and see if it's something you'd like to do. Dreamy.com is the same as starrywriting.com. Okay, it's the same. This is where they publish the stories. Then starrywriter.com is where you publish your stories. Search dreamy.com on Google and this is their homepage, right? Then click on become a writer. It opens up like this for you. This is where you turn your passion into profit. And with your hobbies, whatever you know how to do, whatever you're passionate about, I think you can turn it into a story, write it and publish it here. So let me tell you some benefits you get as a story writer. Become a story author and have your story seen by over 100 million readers worldwide. Meanwhile, you will enjoy various benefits. New story bonus, you will receive $50 for every signed story once you've updated more than 30,000 words. 2. You will receive daily update bonus. You earn $150 each month by consistently updating your story. And 3. Complete your stories and receive bonuses ranging from $150 to $500 for your dedication. Long form bonus, you earn monthly income based on word count. Writing contest prizes. Stary Writing regularly hosts theme writing contests with substantial cash prizes. Over $500,000 in prizes have been awarded so far, and the competitions have been awarded so far, and the competitions are ongoing. All story writing authors are welcome to participate. Other benefits: writer advancement program bonus, moon ticket ranking rewards, task rewards, and more. These are the success stories, and the reason I'm sharing this is because it's available worldwide. Don't forget to join them here on Facebook. So click on become a story writer. I think I'll continue with my Google account. Feel free to sign up with your Facebook. Fill in your details. You can change the following information in manage story, but for now I'll keep it. Then select your language, which language you want to write these stories in, and then target audience. They have male, female, and neutral. So I think I should keep mine neutral. Then your genre, they have romance, fantasy, suspense, thriller, steamy stories, paranormal, YA, and technifiction, new adult. I think I'll go for suspense thriller. Please write a description for your story with 0 to 5,000 letters. You can participate in this. Blessed Lunar Rising, Queen Strike. These are the marathon you can participate in. So pick any here. Then content rating. Is it 4 plus, 12 plus, 16 plus, or 18 plus? Whichever rating you want. Then contact email. I'll use this one. Agent code. You can leave that blank. Current recommendation rating is 0%. Complete your story tags to improve the recommendation rating. Basic information, background, main plot. I'm just selecting anything here. Main characters. So if yours have different characters, then you can include them here. This is character 1. This is another character. If like a story I'm writing has different characters, if it is a dialogue scene, maybe they will have different characters, then you can include them, character 1 and character 2, even character 3. All of you that are into AI content creation, I think you can come now and make money from this. Come and make money from writing. All those stories you're writing and uploading for your AI movies, just copy them and come and paste them here. So it says, dear fans, we're happy to have you on Story Writing. sharing your wonderful stories with us. In order to create a safe, enjoyable, friendly community for everyone, please read and adhere to Dreamy guidelines on content listed below. When you create a new story on Stary Writing or make a submission to them, please refer to the categories below and rate your story. You need to identify if it is for all ages, teen and up, mature, explicit, and they also have prohibited content. Any content that infringes in whole or part any intellectual property rights, including but not limited to copyright, trademark. So make sure to read them and then accept. Click on confirm. Then it says successfully created. Please choose the way for creating your episode. You can start your creation by crafting a new episode or by directly importing completed episodes. If you're into AI content creation and you already have a story, you can import them here episode by episode. If your novel is complete, you can upload multiple episodes at once here before importing. Please review and follow the important rules. Then use their editing mode feature to create your first episode and start writing your story episode by episode. So if I want to use this, I'll start writing. So on their editor platform, you can use the AI feature to check your grammar and spelling. So I can start writing my story here episode by episode and then I publish. If you want to upload the stories yourself, you can upload your story from the ones you created. So this is my dashboard. Welcome to Stary Writing. I'm here now. I can begin to write and publish. They also give you the book cover and everything. Edit book cover. You can edit the book cover. This was the first one I created with you guys. I can always edit the book cover or upload a book cover. So if you write, this one is not, those fake ones. This one is real. This is legit. Come and write. There's platforms that will help you to write good stories. Look, this is where your earnings will be. Total amount, pending amount, available to withdraw. I'm going to publish a story over the weekend and see how far it goes. And I have some tasks here. Update 1,000 words today. Update for 5 days this week. Update for 2 days this week. 1 day promotion card. So I'm going to upload my own story. Like, I see all those AI stories. If you upload it here, you make a lot of money. So I'm going to start my own. I want you to also start writing and publishing your own stories, and then we'll check up by next week and see. Yeah, we'll check up by next week. I'll make a community post. I will also like you to comment if you have started. So let me know. These are new stories published this week. Can you see? So let me know if you have heard about them before. And if not, sign up today and keep me updated in the comments. There you have it, guys. Stary Writing pays you to write stories, novels, any topic at all. Go write, publish, and make your money. If you have an AI channel, just go and copy the transcript, put it into a Word document, and upload it episode by episode. Believe me, you're going to make a lot of money. $50 to $500. It's not a small money. So I'm going to start my own. I'm starting my own, and I want you to go start today and keep me updated in the comments. I still have more to share, but let's start with this one and see how it goes. I want results. This is not the time you watch and pass. Watch and take action. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. Please do like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.